Features of village community in India. First feature, basis of social organizations. Second, group of people. 3, definite locality. 4, small size. 5, importance of neighborhood. 6, community sentiment. 7, predominance of primary relations. 8, joint family system. 9, marriages. 10, agricultural economy. 11, caste system. 12, Jajami system. 13, simple life. 14, faith in religion. 15, panchayats. 16, homogeneity. 17, informal social control. 18, mobility. 19, status of man. 20, standard of living. 21, culture. 22, preserves of ancient culture. 23, stability and continuity. Detail going on. First, basis of social organization. In India, there are more than 500,000 villages. 80% of the Indian population lives in these villages. Hence, in every respect, the future of India is very much linked with the development of villages. Second, group of people. Village community signifies a group of people in which the people do not take part in a particular interest. On the other hand, they share the basic conditions of a common life. Three, definite locality. Locality is the physical basis of village community. A group of people forms village community only when it begins to reside in a definite locality. Four, small size. Village communities are small in size. The census in India designates a place with 5,000 inhabitants as a village community. 80% of the Indian villages have less than 1,000 population each. Five, importance of neighborhood. Neighborhood relationship is another important feature of village life. Two factors, namely living in small proximity on the part of ruralities and an atmosphere of fellow feeling, friendship, sympathy and love available in the rural setting promote neighborhood relationship in the villages. Six, community sentiment. Community sentiment is the very essential of village community. The ruralities exhibits a strong sense of belongingness and we feeling often my own village is the natural expression of such community sentiment. Furthermore, the members have a sense of dependence on the community for both physical and psychological satisfaction. Seven, predominance of primary relations. A village community is often regarded as a primary group. It is characterized by the predominance of personal and as such relatively durable relations. There is comparative simplicity and sincerity in human relationship. Kinship groups play crucial role in the context of the village community. 8, joint family system. The joint family system still forms the basic structural unit in the village community. All the members live together under the same roof, take food cooked in the common hearth, hold property together. Participate in common worship and are related to each other as some particular type of allied. It is found that the number of joint families in villages is much more than that in towns and cities. 9, marriage. The villages for the most part practice endogamy. There is either no or very little freedom on the part of both boys and girls in matter of mate selection. 10, agricultural economy. It is the biggest occupation in rural India. It is essentially a way of life for the ruralities, as they are all made for social life. Daily routines, habits and attitudes revolve around agriculture. A small section of the rural population depends upon non-agricultural occupations such as carpentry, pottery, basket making, etc. for their livelihood, but these occupations are also indirectly related to the major occupation, that is agriculture. 11. Caste system. Caste system is a unique feature of the Indian village community. It determines the role, status, occupation and marital relationships of the ruralities. The caste system exercises such a crucial influence on the villagers that it has rightly been described as the alpha and omega of village life. Jajmani system. Jajmani system is another particularity of village life in India. Under this system, members of a caste or many castes offer their services to the members of other caste. People to whom such services are offered are called jajmans. 13. Simple life. It is interesting to observe that even in the materialistic age of today, the generality accepted ideal in the village is one of the simple living and high thinking. The villagers are a simple and plain people. Their life is tranquil and peaceful. 14. Faith in religion. Religion plays a paramount role in the life of the village. Religion's influence is visible in every important activity of village life, like harvesting of crops, birth, marriage, illness, etc. On all such occasions, the ruralities conduct religious ceremonies in the form of puja, mela. In this way, faith in religion is very strong in villages. 15. Panchayat. The functioning of the village as a political and social entity brought together members from different castes. The traditional village panchayat in the shape of village council performed a variety of tasks including the maintenance of law and order, settling of disputes, celebration of festivals, and construction of roads, bridges, and tanks. On the other hand, matters relating to the caste, rules, property, and family disputes, and other activities of serious nature were dealt with by the caste panchayat. 16. Homogeneity. Homogeneity of people is another important feature of village communities. The members of village exhibit similarities in their dress, speech, beliefs, values, attitudes and behavior. 17. Informal social control. The village community's social control is informal and direct. The primary groups like the family, neighborhood act as a powerful agencies of social control in villages. The traditional village panchayat and the caste panchayat also exercise much control on the deviant members of the community. 18. Mobility. Territorial, occupational and social mobility of the rural population is limited. The reason is attributed to the lack of satisfactory spread of education in the rural areas. 19. Status of women. Generally, the women in villages are not much educated and their social status is lower than that of their counterparts in the towns. Factors like prevalence of child marriage, joint family system, traditional ideals, old values, and lack of education among females are responsible for the low status of women. 20. Standard of living. On account of gross poverty and lack of adequate employment opportunities, the standard of living of the ruralities is very low. Hence, most of them do not have home conveniences and recreational facilities. 21. Culture. So far as village community is concerned, culture is more static than in towns. Greater importance is attached to religion and rituals. The ruralities are found to be more fatalistic than the urbanities. 22. Preservers of ancient culture. From the sociological point of view, the villages are important because they preserve the ancient culture of the Indian society. The villages in India still have faith in the lofty ideals of the theory of pure Svasta and the doctrine of karma and lead a simple and natural life marked by sacrifice, theistic tendency, etc. 23. Stability and continuity. The village communities in India are relatively more stable. The reason is possibly attributed way of life, the norms of behavior, customs of family relations, tendency of community, life, etc. In fine, these are some of the most important characteristics of a village community. Life in village is more natural and orderly. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.